Alright.
So this is all what I remember from the story of
Abraham and
Abraham and
Isaac.
Isaac.
Okay.
So the Lord sent like a message to Abraham that he had to kill his son Isaac for his offering. His one and only son that he loved very much. And this is real. Everything is real. So, my lips is a little bit dry.
Okay, and then what happened?
And so he after 2 days, and he was also very sad.
Yeah, okay.
So after walking from 2 days, and the 3rd day, he saw the mountain very long, very
High, okay.
high, yeah, high. So he said, "Wait here."
So he said to whom?
To the two one. So they also bring 2 slaves.
Okay.
Ellie, they're not saved. They're just like, but they're
Slaves.
Okay, servants. Okay.
Slaves.
Okay. Abraham
So they
brought
said.
2 slaves.
So they said to the 2 slaves, "Wait here. He's gonna come back with his son."
Okay.
So after he prepared the stones and the wood and stuff, and then the earth makes some there's some until they made some fire.
Okay. Prepared
And
what?
now he tied Isaac's foot and hands like wrist together, like this.
Okay. And then?
And so after laying him down in the grass, so he got like a knife or like a sword or something. A knife or a sword, I guess.
A knife, okay.
Because Mama, you did not tell me if it was a knife or a sword.
It's a knife, okay.
Okay, so a knife. He was holding a knife and about to kill his own son. But when the angel arrived in the right time, he said, "Wait, Abraham, do not kill your only son." So he was relieved that his son was saved by an angel that God has sent. So he put down the knife in the grass, and he untied the rope from his arm, from his wrist, and
Who? Risk of who?
Isaac.
Okay.
And also he now God knows that he loves God more than his son.
Yes, okay.
So he said, so when he found a sheep, like a ram.
A ram, okay.
Mama, what was the bush said again?
Yeah.
Like a spiky, thorny
Okay,
bush, like a
okay.
thorny bush.
A thistle, okay.
Yeah, thistle. And when the ram hit the spiky bush, like the thorny bush,
Okay, caught. by its horn. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and was sent by God.
Mm-hmm.
So he got it and burned it
Mm-hmm.
for the offering for God.
Yes. Okay.
Usually it's like a ram or a goat, like some animals, some other animals, like goat, ram,
Mm-hmm.
different kind of animals.
All right.
Except for the tall ones or the small ones.
And then, okay.
Just like the perfect size.
Mm-hmm.
And that's all what I know, Mommy.
All right.
Can you ask me questions?
What did you feel about that?
A little sad, a little tears.
Yeah, you cried.
Yeah, but I stopped crying when he was like saved by one angel.
Mm-hmm.
And wait, I forgot one more part.
Mm.
Isaac, his only son, said, "Where is the ram or the sheep?"
Mm-hmm. And then, what did Abraham answer?
You didn't tell me the answer, so I'll guess, baby.
How about the God will?
God will kill, he will kill him instead of a ram or sheep
Mm-hmm.
or a goat.
What did Abraham tell Isaac when Isaac asked him, "Father, where is the ram? Where is the offering? We have wood and we have everything that we need for the sacrifice. But where is the sheep?" What did Abraham answered Isaac?
I think he said, "You are the one who had to be offered to God."
How about the Jehovah Jireh that Mama said?
I forgot already.
Diba? Jehovah Jireh means God
God.
will.
Well, I need my drawing board so I can write it down.
Okay, it's okay. God will
God will.
provide.
God will provide.
And that's
God
what he
will
told
provide.
Isaac. When Isaac asked him, "Father, where is our offering?" Abraham said,
God will provide.
God will provide. Did he provide?
Yes.
Yes.
But he almost killed his son.
Yes.
But an angel said, "Don't kill your son already." And there was this baby
Yeah,
model.
very good.
Waiting before you can eat.
So, can you tell me what's your most favorite part of the story?
When he was saved by one angel,
Mm-hmm.
that he was sent from God.
Yes. You cried, Ellie, and you didn't want to hear the story during before the ram was there. Why? What did you feel?
I felt sad.